Hello guys and welcome back to Restaurant channel on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick guidance on the usage of MetaTrader 5 on Windows. So in this video alone, I will only introduce you to some of the function to also guide you through the basic use inside the application, what you need to do, what you need to customize just to make your trading experience much better. Okay, so first start from how are you going to get your account login. Okay, so once you have your MetaTrader application installed on your window, you might probably thinking of, okay, I want to log into my account. But before you log into your account, you must make sure that you have an account. So opening an account is not what it takes to do on the application itself. You need to go down to the brokerage company, register, top up your money, all of those type of stuff with the black and white paper signing and everything. And then later that they able to provide you an account ID plus the password. So once you get all of that, you're coming back to your application on your window, you open your MetaTrader 5 and make sure that the account that you're opening is a MetaTrader 5 or else you will not be able to log into the MetaTrader 5. So if your open account in MetaTrader 4, you subjected to download the MetaTrader 4 application instead. So basically, MetaTrader 4 is not a widely uh, an open application for all type of user, but MetaTrader 5 is an open application where all broker inside can be logged in and able to log in to an account direct inside MetaTrader 5. So once you have all of those process open an account, setting up an account and everything, then you come back to your computer, you open up your MetaTrader 5 platform, and then you start to log in. So the way that you're able to log in, first of all you have to do is to go to File right here, and then you will spot down there it said Open an Account. So you click on that Open an Account. You will see you might probably not seeing all of this list, probably blank or some kind. So all you need to do is to input your broker name. For example, my broker is Golden Fortune. I'll type all of that and then I'll click on Find the company, and then you will see that Golden Fortune derivative exchange. In case that you have all text input, then this will be the only broker show up on the screen. So then once you select your broker, click on next. After that, you are able, in case if you don't have a real account, what I'm talking a moment ago is to activate to open a real account. So if you don't have a real account demand to you to go to the company to register. But for demo account, you can open directly from the platform. So if you want to try your platform out without opening any real account yet, just simply go to your platform, search just the way I do, like this, click on click on that broker, click next, and then click on open demo account. So then they will open you a demo account which require you to fill in some email address or all of those type of stuff, right? So if you already have your real account open by the broker itself, just click on connect with an existing trade account right there. Complete your login credential, password, and if you have a dedicated server, just click on that. Or if no, in this case, there's no other dedicated server, so simply just follow that and then you click on finish, then you're logged in. That's it. This is a very simple, straightforward way to start logging into your credential once you have your account ready. Okay. I'm not gonna click on this. Okay, so second step, assume that we are already open and logged into our account on MetaTrader 5. So second thing is that you might probably want to customize all of this uh, bar chart. You doesn't enjoy this green white color, so you prefer something much better, right? So okay, so assume that you want something much better. You want to customize the color, the background of it. Well, MetaTrader 5 has an option for you to choose based on customer or user experience. So example, you want to change this into a type of color, so just simply right click on the platform and then select property. On that, you will see a list of color of that. So you go ahead and customize your own if you want to, but if you want to stick with an existing sample or color, just simply go to scheme right here, and then you can choose yellow on black, or you want to choose black on white, or you maybe want to choose some quite colorful is color on white. So when you click color, I prefer this much because it show bar up, bar down color much precisely. Okay, so once you confirm with this, just click OK. Now you get it right. Now you get the beautiful bar chart color as you want it to. Okay, so let's dive into the third part. The third part is that you want to activate one-click trading. So normally they have a button right here where you simply just click one, it execute trading, buy or sell, something like that. So right now you don't see it anywhere because you haven't yet opened it. You haven't yet enabled that part. So to enable that, simply just click on right click again, and you'll see that the word one click trading. So right now it's unclickable because we are in a closed market session. So once the market is open, then this right here will be show up as clickable. So once you click this, you will pop up a message where it asks you to confirm whether you want to do the one-click trading or not. So once you confirm and click OK, there will be something right here to pop up where you can able to click one for executed buy or sell the market like that. Very simple, very straightforward. Yeah. So this is a very basic, very basic. One more thing. In case that you have noticed that all the bar chart right here is entirely right across the screen. So you might probably spot some people, you know, uh, let me see. Some people, I don't know how to do an example on this. So imagine that you spot that this end right here is somewhere around here. So you left the completely right side blank. So that also be something that user experience might be and wanted to be experienced as well. So in order to do this, well, simply you can just zoom in a little bit and you will notice something up here. Something, let me change the color really quick. Property, change back to green, pick up like that. Yeah. Okay, you will notice something right here where you can drag it all along. Let me do the quick one. Okay, you need to click on this too. Okay, so once you click on this, scroll the chart to the end and scroll shift end of the chart from right bottom. So once you click on this, there's something right here as an arrow dot right here showing up. So all you need to do is to click on that and drag it all back. Drag it to wherever you want. But probably seems like they're only limited to the middle. Okay, so once you release, the bar chart will jump to right there. So whenever the market open, the bar chart is moving, it will never pass over this section. It will keep on going forward like that, but will not cross to this part, this part of the screen. So this is a very what I say is a basic, very basic on the user experience of MetaTrader 5. So if you have any question, just leave the question in the comment section, and I'll try to solve all of those to you as fast as possible. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.